dropped a video. It's supposed to be a banger. And she's watching me from the back. She doesn't believe I have this camera rolling with me. Cameraman, what you say, man? What do we start?
No, I don't know.
As you can see by the title, I'll be coughing in public to see who will help me today. And I don't know how this is gonna go, but this is road to 500 subs. But I'm sure you watch this at probably on 502. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, and this is not my channel. This is our channel because.
Check.
Sip, I'll meet you.
Alright.
In my laptop. Let's go to the next location.
Alright.
You see what I go through, guys? This prank thing will get out of control at some point, guys. Someone will say, check me how to drink that water, bro.
I check you. Don't even know where it's coming from.
Okay, guys, we're about to pick the next story. As we start rolling, please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Legal pulada pra ele, velho. Tem que fazer spray.
To my people, what's happening? To my people, what's
I'm
happening?
gonna try. I'm not giving any promises. I might fail. I'm gonna try fall over there.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
It's possible I won't be able to.
yeah.
It's possible I'll just start laughing.
Yeah.
And possible I'll get really wet.
Oh, well. Oh. Yeah, boy. Singasibili singamanage akusewangibuki nto ngena ngihleki here
Come find it. Friend, it's it. Yes, sir. It's kaya i-prank. I relax.
Guys, if you're not watching and say till now, right, you see what I go to, say go through and go to for you guys.